Here are the best PS5 settings, tips and tricks for DualSense Edge under 3 minutes. To access the controller settings, you can either go to accessories or hold one of the FN buttons and press options. The function menu only pops up if you hold FN for 1 second. If you press it fast with buttons, you can switch profiles before it shows up. You can also change the content to minimize the information you see. You can assign up to 3 profiles to the buttons and they will be saved on the controller, so they work on PC and other devices too. You can also create more profiles and replace them whenever you like. From here you can set the back buttons function, but it's limited. For example, you can't map L3 plus R3 to one button, only one button at a time. If you just got the controller, test the drift with the blue circle. This line must become white when not moving sticks. My controller is 1 year old, so it has a little drift. If you just bought it, up to 3% is considered normal. Set the dead zone to 3% and check if you still see the blue line. In that case, you'll better return the controller. You can also use L2 and R2 for adjusting dead zone and L1 and R1 to adjust the curve faster. Keep in mind these curves only apply if the game curve is set to linear. Then whatever you set here will be working in the game. Otherwise, this curve will be combined with the game curve, and that's the reason why it may feel very bad in some games. More on that later. If a game requires so much push until the R2 or L2 starts working, limiting the trigger dead zone to 0 to 1 in this section can remove the game's dead zone, but trigger effects will be gone too. If the game has dead zone option, set dead zone to 0, and this way you keep the whole effective area. But unfortunately, it's not the same for analog sticks. If a game has dead zone on analog stick, for example FC24 has 40% dead zone, but they can't be removed, the PS5 settings can't remove it either. The game settings comes first. Now it's time for tips. From multiple tests we made in this year, R2 on stopper tree has the least delay for FPS games. So if you use R1, there is more delay typically to shoot. If you play with automatic weapons or sniper and other non-rapid fire weapons, R2 with a range of 0 to 1 is the fastest. DualSense Edge has a great Bluetooth polling rate, but using the USB cable gives you a stable connection in 1000 Hz, meaning it gives you a lower input lag. Yet for a typical gamer, it's okay to use Bluetooth. The controller aux port has a delay of around 24 milliseconds for audio in both USB and BT mode. If you want the lowest audio latency, a USB sound card may give you less delay. If you feel DualSense Edge joystick doesn't feel the same as DualSense, try steady -5 curve and let me know if it helps. For advanced in-depth tutorials for Edge in different games, check this playlist from the end screen.